Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this video, we just want to show you the number of pips you can make by trading larger time frames using the same indicators, same signals, versus those using a smaller time frame. Now, when the market's really going sideways, you can find some good trades in the smaller time frames, but when the market really goes good and trends in the larger time frames, you can really get the big pips. Just for example, here's a pretty choppy market, up and down in the 4-hour time frames. So right in here we know this was a trend. That was 178 pips. Right in here was about 250 pips. Right here was about 230 pips. Now those are just some ups and downs that there's some nice moves to be had. They're easy signals, easy to read. Now let's take this where this vertical line is. We're going to go to the 5-minute, and we'll basically just be looking at this section right here. So this is what you'd be looking at if you went to a 5-minute. Some pretty decent little trades, but this one like 20 to 30 pips. This one was about 20 pips. Here's another one that was about 26 pips, and this one was choppy, so maybe 10 pips out of that one. And this was a little bit bigger over here of about 35 pips. So you can see that by trading the larger time frames, you'll spend less time. You'll be able to get more pips using the same indicators, the same alerts, the same setups. So we encourage you to use the larger time frames to make the big pips. When the market gets really slow, sideways, hard to read, then go to the smaller time frames and you can take some trades out to satisfy your need to have to trade. Hopefully this shed a little bit of light on trading larger time frames. Move up to the larger time frames as fast as you can. In order to do that, you just have to pick 2 or 3 larger time frames and don't look at the smaller time frames. Be able to withstand some of these little drawdown to 20, 30 pips. Anyway, so go to the larger time frames and you'll be able to make more pips with the same or less effort.